welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something a little bit different, and that is reducing clutter around our homes. And I have just so much stuff, it is just overwhelming me. And I have been reading a lot about the Konmari Method, and I've been watching a lot of videos on it and cleaning videos, and you know, I just really want to go through everything that I have and just get rid of it. Like, basically the KonMari method, there's a bunch of different things to it, but in summary, it's just you go through everything that you have, and if it has meaning to you and you know it brings you joy, you keep it, and if you don't want it, then you throw it away. And I really just want to go through my entire house and do that, just to get rid of all of this stuff and move a little bit more towards minimalism and, you know, trying to just get rid of all the clutter and things that I don't need. Like, I would be perfectly happy with just having my clothes and, you know, my inventory that I need for my business and nothing else. So that I don't get overwhelmed, I'm going to be doing just a little bit per day. Today I'm focusing here on my bathroom, specifically on my bathroom counter, and I'm just going to go through and I'm going to try and organize my counter, the drawers that are my counter, and just throw away a ton of stuff that I really just don't need and does not bring me joy. Okay, so this is my counter. It is in desperate need. I've already kind of started trying to like organize stuff, and it is just in desperate need of like a deep clean with like the makeup and stuff that gets on it. And so this is what I'm going to focus on today, and that is like throwing away everything, and I kind of want to redo this too, like get some new stuff for my countertop, because I have this really huge nice counter and I just want to really utilize this space for like my vanity and makeup storage. This is not like the main bathroom that I use. It's kind of like just my room where I get ready. But yeah, so we're going to focus on reorganizing, cleaning, and getting rid of things from this counter. Okay, so I got my trash bag, and we are going to start just kind of going through everything and throwing everything away that I don't want, which is going to be probably mostly everything, because I just want it to be nice and clean, and I want to get some makeup organizers and just redo this entire thing. So I'm going to throw away a lot of stuff today. Okay, so I have my little trash bag here, and we are going to start throwing things away. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with this box of stuff. It's like body sprays and old perfumes and stuff. I'm going to keep this. It's just a little facial thing, but I do want to use it, so I'm going to keep that. Everything else, like these old like Bath and Body Works stuff, I'm going to like just toss these. Like this whole box. It's just like old. Like, I don't even like the scents of them. I think some of them were like gifts and stuff, but we're just gonna like this whole box and put it in there to the trash. Okay, this is a mirror from Birchbox, so I'll probably keep that and put that in my purse. This is a blush, also from Birchbox. I'm gonna keep that and put that. That's pretty empty, so we're gonna throw that away. That still has stuff in it. Put that over there. I do not like the scent of that. We'll throw that away. That's empty. Don't use that. This I got from Birchbox. It's like Surge Normant. Smells terrible, guys. Like, do not get this. It smells horrible. We're throwing this away. That's like moisturizer. We'll keep that. Proactive. I don't use this anymore, so we're gonna throw that away. Keep that. These aren't even good anymore. Headband. We'll keep that. Another headband. I've got to come up with like some kind of storage solution for things I keep. I have all of these like conditioners from the hair color. So we're gonna throw those away. I don't want those. Old makeup. That's still good. We'll keep that. Body lotion. Cleanser. We'll keep that. Throw that away. Shave cream. Anything that I use, I'm gonna keep. But like all these little samples and stuff that I know I'm not gonna use. That's eyeshadow. We'll keep that. Makeup, if it's still good and I can still use it, I'm probably gonna keep it. That's still full. We'll keep that. Keep that. Keep those. That's good. That's like a microfiber cloth. I'll keep that. Throw that away. Look, it's empty and now I can use it to organize with. This I used to water the flowers outside, so we're just gonna hide that. Okay. Moving along to my hairbrush. Bobby pins, we're gonna keep that because I lose all of those. Sorry guys, I just had to stop and put on a sweatshirt because I'm so cold. I don't know why, I'm just like freezing. Okay, so as you can see, I moved everything off of the counter. So I'm gonna go get the vacuum and kind of use the attachment to vacuum all of the like dust and like pet hair and stuff off the counter, and then I'm going to clean it. So now I have my totally awesome cleaner from Dollar Tree. It's just a spray cleaner. And my frozen paper towels. Because I'm extra like that. And we are going to wipe down the countertop and make it super shiny. So how awesome is this? It's all like nice and shiny and clean and cleared off, and I don't know if this has ever like, I don't know if it's ever been this clean, truthfully. So yeah, I just went back over with a washcloth and some hot water and my cleaner, and then I went back and wiped off all the excess with a paper towel. But I'm really happy with the results. There's still a couple trouble spots that are like nail polish that I'm going to have to go back and try to get off later. But I'm really happy with the results of my counter cleaning and declutter right now. Okay, so I'm about to clean the mirror. And life hack, if you clean your glass doors or mirrors with coffee filters, it will not streak and it won't leave any like marks on your mirror from the cleaning as opposed to paper towels. So I always clean my mirrors with coffee filters, and then they're super easy to clean with as well. And usually only have to use one, because usually I have to use multiple paper towels, but this usually lasts a while. So PSA, I'm definitely not cold anymore. If you want to skip your workout for the day, I definitely recommend cleaning instead, because at least you're getting something done and then you're still moving around, and I'm not cold anymore, so it works out. Okay guys, as you can see, my counter is clean, the mirror is clean, everything is cleared off it. The goal now is to redecorate and add some new stuff to it and kind of organize my makeup and everything, which will be in a separate video. So make sure that you are subscribed with notifications on. I'm going to end this video here. And I will be posting more cleaning. I'm going to do the rest of the bathroom, redecorating, adding new stuff. So make sure you're subscribed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys want to see more of these videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.